Hi, BroLearners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel, BroLearner. In this video, we will see how we can perform binary operation in JavaScript with the help of binary operator. First, we have addition as a binary operator. Then we have for addition we have plus operator. Then we have hyphen for subtraction, star for multiplication. For division we have backslash, and for exponential or power 2 की power 3 and so on we have double star. Then we have for reminder we call modulus in JavaScript or in any programming language. We have percentage operator. Then we have plus plus for increment operator and minus minus for decrement operator. Now let's see how we can perform these operator in JavaScript. Okay, first I declare a variable var a comma b comma c. Okay, then we perform a equals to declare a equals to 450, b equals to 200, and c equals to a plus b. Now let's see with the help of document.write and print c. Now let's save this. You can see this is added. 400 plus 200 is 600 and this is 50. Okay, and now if we use hyphen symbol minus, let's save this. You can see this is minus. Now if we multiply, you can see if we use star then it is multiplied. You can clearly see. If we want to divide we use backslash operator. Okay, let's save this. You can see if we change this value as 110 and let's save, you can see. Okay, and after that if we just decrease these values 4 and then 5, and if we use double star then 4 की power 5. You can calculate 4 into 4 into, let's reduce to 2 and let's save. You can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times is 32. You can check 2 into 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. Okay, if you want to check for small number, if you just go for a square, you can see 4. If we change this number to 5 and let's say, you can clearly see. And after that we have modulus operator. Let's if we use percent operator here and let's save, you can see this is 1. Why? Because if we divide 5 by 2 we get a remainder 1, that's why it is 1. If we change this with 7, now the remainder is 5. You can see this is how modulus work. And after that we have increment operator. You know the value of a is 5. If we use a plus 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 2 times and change here a, let's save. You can see this is 5, now it's 6. If we print this 2 times, for example first here and then here, if we want to again just use break to differentiate between the line br tag. Now let's save. You can see this is increment or similarly we can use decrement operator minus minus. Let's save this. You can see this first is 5, then it is reduced by 1 and it is now 4. So that this is how we can use binary operators in JavaScript. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.